I made it over here to this truck shack, the Las Vegas truck shack out here in Nevada. My little brother Jerry is my hell, it's windy out here. Anyway, my little brother Jerry's gonna bring me a clamp, and we'll see how hard it's gonna be to get her fixed up and ready to go again. All these trucks driving through here like they own the place. It looks like it held up. Maybe. It held her in there while I was jamming along, coming out, getting over here. Well, yeah. I still got a little oil leak with that one. I don't know what the hell's going on with it. I gotta take that apart and put a new seal in there or something. Gotta keep it all going. Whew. I'm gonna get in here where I can be in the cool for a minute, because the air conditioner still made it cold in here. I'm gonna reach up here behind my sleeper and get me something out of my fridge here, so I can be all jazzed up and ready. I'm out here at right by Speed Vegas. Damn semi trucks in the road, so I can't see it. They got race cars and stuff over there. You can go over there and rent them and tear the hell out of things. I don't know how much. Oh, there one goes. I wonder if they're gonna come out here all the way out. Can't see schmuck. Oh, there's one right there. They're tearing it up. Oh, look at that. Damn police cars over there just going like hell. Here comes that green one again. I don't know what that is. They're going like hell out there. Wonder if my little brother got here yet. He's actually more like a big brother, but Legally, he's my little brother. He should be coming. I wonder if that's him. I don't think that's him. I think he's got a service body on his truck. I think that's him. I think that's him right there. He's got to wait for that cement truck and all these other trucks. And he's going to whip her on over here. Hey! He went by. I should have went out there. I should have went out there and waved him in here. Where the hell's he going? He went up there and turned around. Now he's coming back. He forgot to turn. Hey! Yeah! Yee-hoo! He made it! You made it, my brother!
I had to come in here.
Hell yeah! What's cackalacken?
Am I gonna be in your movie?
Hell yes!
Alright, dude.
You came out to save my ass!
Uber boost to
Look at my my janky clamp on there.
I think that's good.
It got me there.
You don't need your clamps.
Hell no.
You're good, bro.
Well, yeah.
Nice. Hope we got the right ones. They're the
I
only
bet
ones
we
that
did. I bet we did. What do you think?
Let's nip those puppies off there and see
Hell
what
yeah.
happens. Let's get the flip.
Hell yeah.
You gonna pop me in the face? You need your strap still?
No. I got that free on the side of the road.
Well, you might need it for your next boost.
Yeah, I might.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. See if you can slice them wire ties off of there. And then
tie wire, it gets you out of a bind. Every time. I think that was as good as the clamps, brother.
hell yeah.
That's on there.
That's gonna be the schmoo, huh?
Oh yeah. That was good, dude.
That thing was holding on there tight.
You didn't even need to take it easy. She was on there.
See if you can.
All right, let me get some tools. In fact, I'm gonna turn this thing around.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah. Oh, Jerry, he's gonna turn his truck around, so the tools are just right there. That is a nice looking truck, huh? You can tell what kind of work he does. He works in the construction. Oh yeah. He's getting there now. Got to get out the damn way. You don't want to get run over when you're getting all this construction.
Around pull anyway.
Yeah, you don't want to be doing that.
That's a long way. I was a little bit nervous to pull in there, but
You're sketchy about it.
probably petrol. They're not bothering us.
You thought they'd come and slap you on the hangy down, Bill?
Yeah. Slap you in the sack.
Yeah, you don't want that.
All right, what do we need? The little stuff, huh?
3/8, I think. Maybe 7/16.
Yeah. That's the ticket right there.
Woohoo!
Ticket.
I think you gotta. Unless, should I just pull it off?
Well, this never did it blow off completely.
Yeah, it
That's
blew.
probably where the old clamp went, huh?
Yeah.
Are you replacing this one?
I didn't.
Let's see if we can take this apart. You want to try it?
Yeah, we can just take it apart and then
Yeah,
stuff
we
it
can sit
around
there
there.
right
That's the
there.
way I usually do it.
Yeah, that's better.
Sometimes, anyway. Because it's kind of a bassy to get that thing back on there.
Yeah, we can mess with that. Easy. Where do you want the clamp to be at?
It's got a little.
No,
Like-
do you want this like this one facing down?
Yeah, this
Turn this over.
will actually, if you have it sticking out here, it'll actually rub holes in the hood.
Yeah. So we want it just like that, huh?
Yeah.
All right. And you want to replace that other one or not?
I just had you get two of them in case I needed another one.
Oh yeah, let's keep a spare.
I figured we'll just do this one and
This is good.
just let it.
Another one might pop off of there down the road.
Yeah.
This one did. Yeah.
Woo-wee. She's gonna be good to go now.
Right there, huh?
Yep.
What's the torque spec on this thing?
All
of it?
Guten tight.
Just all of it, right?
All of it.
How much of it? All of it. Seems
Hell
to be
yeah.
pretty good.
Just tell there ain't no spring left in the spring, I guess. I don't really know.
Yeah. It's all of it.
Yeah,
How much torque? All of it.
all of it. You don't gotta worry about being safe.
You don't need the torque. How many torques? All of them.
All of them.
You don't need to worry about safety that much.
Yeah. We got police force close by.
Yeah.
They'll come and make sure we're being safe.
Should we go talk to Highway Patrol and have them come check our torque specs?
Should we? They'd probably be pissed off if we tried to get them to do it.
So also, we just want to be safe.
Yeah.
How pinched do you want that spring?
I think
Pinched?
it's pinched.
All of it?
Yeah. I like it.
All right.
All right. Will you cut the rest of the way off of there? And I'll put all this shit in the garbage. And
Cut a hole in your tire while we're at it.
ooh, there you go.
Cut towards your buddy, not
Hell
your
yeah.
body. I got trash can.
There, you run this for a minute while I put this
All right. Are we upright? Are we vertical?
Huh?
Are we upside down or upright on your phone?
I think you're upright.
We don't know.
Right now, I think it's upright.
We don't know our assholes from our elbow anyway.
No.
Don't forget to like, share, and prescribe. Let's get it, boys. Let's grow this channel.
We're gonna get this thing.
1 million views and 20,000 prescribers by the end of this year.
What's a prescriber?
I don't know. Heard it on the
YouTube?
on the YouTubes.
Nice.
Don't forget to prescribe to my channel.
Hell yeah. That was good ending.
Did it cut off?
Oh, no, it didn't.